CapMetro Access is the ADA-Paratransit service here that we operate in Austin, Texas with Capital Metro. It's a really critical piece of public transportation. ADA-Paratransit's there as the safety net for folks who just can't, due to their disability, use the regular fixed route system. For the last 20 years, we've had one vendor, and we haven't really seen a lot of change or any really progression in how we can service our customers.
Some of the challenges we had prior to Spare would be that our dispatching process and scheduling, routing was all manual. And now with Spare, it's taken a lot out of our hands. The system finds the right spot for us, and it has real-time optimization.
With Spare, our riders have much more ease of access for our eligibility process. When they come through the eligibility process, we create a rider profile. All their information is uploaded into the Spare system, and they book their rides from there.
Our customers are able to book trips using the app. They can cancel trips using the app. It also sends them notifications updating their estimated arrival time of the vehicle. It brings an ease of not having to wait on hold.
It's more than just getting around. It's also connecting to the community. It's freedom.
It allows people to be able to be a productive citizen, be independent.
We did a lot of work closely with Spare, and not just software developers in a room, but actually the leadership of the company. They came here, they worked alongside us. They really helped us develop a really good product.
Working with the paratransit side of transportation is really special. Being able to rely on our service is very important to them and to us.
Our current goal is 92% on-time performance for our ADA-Paratransit service. We haven't always hit that, but we are now hitting that and exceeding that. I think we took that big leap so that we hopefully can get others to take that leap behind us, switch out the system that you've had forever, and go with something that actually is going to really move your system forward.